One of the best decentralized chat application out there today, and we'll be reviewing it. So show you guys how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the application. First, simple layout. Down here you have the message option where you can send me messages. Pretty much you can type anything that you want here. Also you can send photos and send a voice note as well. So everything as it relates to messaging. So at the top here, you can pretty much change your name where it says here after the bitchat slash, here is the search, erase this here and change your name to anything. If you have sent a message or you have entered a chat group, you can always change your name. So people never know what your name is and other cases. But you can always change your name, guys. Over here, you may see mash. Just pretty much you will see how much people in your chat group. So if I tap on the bitchat icon over here it tells you offline communication, which you can be used by via Bluetooth. So you can connect to Bluetooth, so you guys can communicate through Bluetooth, or anyone that's using the application that has their Bluetooth turned on and is nearby, you can get connected to them easily. Also, you have the next option, which is the online version, which pretty much can connect nearby location, anyone that's in your area, let's say a town from you, not too far, but good distance, you know what I mean, guys. But anyone that's in close proximity will get connection, or you can get connected to them once they use the application and you are using the application too. So that's pretty much it for that there. You have some simple things like the dark mode and light mode, which I do pretty much like the night mode. So yes, and also you have some different options which you can turn on. And I always recommend you guys to enable the tour on to make sure that feature is enabled so your messages can be even more secure. So that's pretty much it for that. And you have some other tips here as it relates to deleting messages if it's an emergency or anything like that, guys. So that's pretty much it for that. So at the top here, you can just tap on mash. Once you tap on the hash mash here, you pretty much have the option to view how much persons are in a group. As you can see here, you have 0 people at the moment, so no one's connected right now. Also, you can all go global, meaning you can tap on the globe hash and pretty much enter a number. Or you can just tap on this here. Once you tap on this, it will pretty much give you different locations. And there's some random letters and numbers, but different locations. And people using the application that join within these locations. Let's say they join on 6. And once you tap on, let's say you want to join in South Africa, you just tap on South Africa here. Once you tap on one of these, or no one's going to be in the ocean, but one of these locations here, it is 6, and once you tap on 6, you just tap on select, and it will pretty much add there. And once it's add there, you just tap on teleport. Once you tap on teleport, you'll be joining the #6 chat. So anyone that's in South Africa that's using the application and want to join the chat with you also has to use this 6 hash and join the chat with you, and you can message back and forth with you guys. So the very, very good application, guys, very good app. So that's not all. You also have the enable location or enable location feature, which pretty much connects you to we'll just create random rooms for you that's nearby areas that you're located in. So 4 random groups or just some random groups that would be created. So let's say someone wants to be connected to somebody that's in 39 kilometers away from you, then they can turn on their location and they will see all the groups available. So you can just simply join within those groups and you guys can chat. So very good application, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. Very good application, and it's a decentralized application, guys. So Very good. But if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. God love to help you guys. And let's say guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.